Good evening, my dear friends. Today topic is business. In the business, I explain very simply what are the basic things everyone must know. Here is the main basic word we have to know is S and B. We consider the letter S here is we consider as sell and buy. If you are familiar with sell and buy, you are eligible to do the business. Everyone have a question. If you start a business, two questions you have: how and where. Where I have to sell and where I have to sell my product. How I have to sell. And come to the point, the same question for this one also, buy also. Where I have to buy and where I have to buy and how I have to sell my products. These are the same questions everyone have. I will explain with a simple example. If anyone have a business, if anyone have idea to start a business, to select how it is, I explain with an example. Be with me. Coming to there are three types of people are there in the market. I'm considering as Tribula, Ram, Rahim and Rahman. He is a person, he can get the product as like you consider as small goods. Take an example of shoes. He get 100 pairs of shoes. He can sell each pair with 100 rupees. He is earning 10,000 rupees as is a business. So coming to the category of Rahim, he is an expert in making the shoes. He can make the 10 pieces for working. He spent his time around 1 year. He spent his time to create the 10 pairs of shoes. You consider time is same to every 3 persons, 1 year. So 10 shoe pairs. So he sell each pair with 1,000 rupees. Why? Because he creates some designs with the shoe. So we can able to sell with each shoe pair as 10,000 rupees. So we get total amount as 10,000 rupees. So coming to the person Rahman, he is also spending 1 year, but he do not know how to make the shoe and how to get the shoe also. He gave the contract to one shoemaker as an expert, those who are existing in his surrounding, and he gave contract to shoemaker. He ordered to him to make a shoe of 1 pair of shoe, only 1 pair. Take the time of 1 year to make the design, such a very design and which is not exist in the present situations up to now. New style of design. So he make these 1 pair of shoe with a brand name. Take an example of Bata. Okay. So he sell this. He made 1 shoe. He make the brand to that shoe as a Bata. We sell the shoe with a cost of 10,000 rupees. He made the same shoe. He is selling 100 pieces with a cost of 100 rupees each one to get 10,000 rupees of business. He sell 10 pairs of shoe with some design, 1,000 rupees each pair. So he get the business of 1,000 rupees. He sell only 1 pair of shoe, but he is earning, his business turnover is 10,000 rupees. So, my dear friends, find your business idea, which type you want to do. So, which category you want to select your business, this type of category. So, everyone, the business turnover is same, but which type you want to choose is a matter to achieve your business. Okay. So, try to find, if you have an idea in your mind, any idea will work out. Okay. So thank you, my dear friends. We will meet in next video with a business new ideas.